What's up guys, welcome back to another new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can design the interior of your castle. So as you guys requested in the comments, so here it is. Today I'm just going to quickly show you how you can design the interior. So first of all, what we're going to use is a smooth quartz stone. So leaving 3 blocks from this side, we're going to start from this, add about 2 blocks in width and total 6 blocks. Then we're just gonna grab our sea lantern and add it just like this. We're gonna get our smooth quartz block again, add it just like this, okay? And next what we're gonna use is basically we're gonna use smooth quartz slab, and we're just gonna cover it all the way just like this. Next we're just gonna get smooth quartz stairs, and we're gonna place them just like this. Yeah, just like this, okay? Next, we're just gonna grab our smooth quartz block again, add one here, one, two, and three here. We're gonna grab our smooth quartz slabs, add them on the sides, just like this. We're gonna grab our red banner and attach it to this side. And then we're just gonna use the red carpet. And as you can see, the seat has been done. So next what we're gonna do is we're just gonna work on the back side of it. So let's see how we can do that. Okay, so next basically what we're gonna do is we're just gonna grab some netherrack and put it around here and here. We're gonna grab our soul soil, add it just like this. Similarly on this side, and then we're just gonna use the netherrack again and add it just like this. We're gonna add hopper next to this netherrack over here, and on top of it we're gonna add soul soil. Let me just like this. We're gonna add spruce trapdoors and close it just like this. Similarly, we're gonna do it on this side, and this is the soul soil, and then the trapdoors just like this. Next, we're just gonna add fire to all of these, so it should look like this. Okay, it looks pretty good, not gonna lie. Next, you're just gonna break these 3 blocks, add your sea lantern, give 3 spaces apart, and do it again. Next, on the doorway, you're just gonna add your sea lanterns again. You're gonna grab your red carpet and you're gonna put it all over it, okay? Just like this, okay? Next, we're just gonna move towards the wall a bit. Okay, so for the walls, basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab some stone brick wall like this. You're gonna go to the center, add it just like this, and get your lantern and hang it just like this. Similarly, I'm gonna do it on this side, and here's the lantern, and I put it right over here. I'm gonna add 2 lanterns on both of these sides, so it should look like this. Yep, so basically this was the ground level, and these were some of the details. You can customize it however you guys want. Now we're just gonna move towards the ladder area, and there are 4 ladder areas, and we're just gonna decorate all of them the same way. Okay, now to decorate your pillars, what you're gonna do here is you're just gonna grab a polished andesite slab, and you're just gonna put it right about this side on top of the doors. And for that, after doing it, you're gonna add your lantern on top of it just like this, okay? Okay, this is wrong. Let's take it down a level, and yeah, it should look just like this, okay? After doing that, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna go up. You're gonna get your hopper and you're gonna attach it to the roof just like this. You're gonna next add a chain to it just like this, and then you're gonna add your lantern on top of it. So this is how it looks. Okay. So next we're just gonna do the same stuff in all of the pillars, and then we're just gonna go decorate the first floor of our castle. Okay. Okay. Now coming towards the first floor, what we're gonna start with is we're just gonna grab our polished andesite here, and we're just gonna add them towards this side, and it should go just like this. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna connect it on top, and similar right here. And I'm just gonna add some flower pots, add poppy, cornflower, and lily of the valley, you know, for some decoration. Next, I'm gonna grab my polished andesite stairs and just add them a bit inverted on top. So it should give a look like this. Okay, similarly, I'm gonna do it on this side, just like this. Okay. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add my chest just like this. Okay. So this is how it has come to look like. And next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a bed over here. Okay. Okay. Now for the bed, what I'm gonna do is basically I'm gonna take polished dendrite and add it right here, and then I'm gonna add a bed right around here. I'm gonna add oak sign and put it just like this. I'm gonna grab my red carpet, add towards its sides, and it should look like this. Okay. I'm going to add some crafting table on this side and some smithing table on this side. So this is how it looks. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna add a library of some sorts, and let's see how we can do it. Okay, so for the library, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a bookshelf. Okay, let's just make our library over here. So I'm just gonna grab a bookshelf and leaving one block in between this and this row. What I'm gonna do is add bookshelf right here and extend it about 5 blocks, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 4 blocks here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I'm gonna place it just like this. I'm gonna add an enchanting table in between all of the structure, and then I'm gonna place red carpet all over, just like this. Okay. I'm gonna add a lantern on this side, add a grindstone on its one end and an anvil on the other, just like this. Okay. So now I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna make a wardrobe of some kind. It should give off a little bit of medieval look. So let's see how we can do that. Okay, so to get started on our wardrobe, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna grab some furnaces, blast furnace, and a smoker. So let's get started. So let me just put down 3 furnaces like this. Then on top of them, I'm gonna add smokers, and on top of them I'm gonna add my blast furnaces. And after adding them all like this in a 3 by 3 space, I'm gonna add some spruce trapdoors on the side, just like this. Similarly on this side, and then in front of them, just like this. Similarly, I'm gonna add it on the top. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna close all of them up. So in the end, it should give a wardrobe feel. Yeah, as you can see, it gives off a perfect, nice medieval look. So this was our wardrobe. So let's see what's next we're gonna do. Okay, now coming towards this side, what we can do is we're just gonna add some armor stands on both corners. Then we're just gonna fit them with some armor, just like this. Similarly, some nether armor on this side. So this is how they look. And next, what we can do is add some cartography table, looms, and some, other tables right here. So let's just do that too. Okay, so to add the stuff right here, what we're first going to do is add some fletching table, then cartography table. With space between them, I'm going to add a loom, then I'm going to add a cauldron, just like this. I can add a water bucket in here so it looks filled with water. So next we're just gonna go down and add some fine details to things. But before that, let's just add some fine details right here, okay? Okay, so coming towards this side, what I'm gonna do is first I'm just gonna add a painting like this. Then I'm gonna get a spruce trapdoor, add it on this side just like this. I'm gonna add a stone cutter and place it on top of this spruce trapdoor. And similarly, I'm gonna add a brewing stand on top of this spruce trapdoor. Okay. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna grab a glow item frame and I'm just gonna add it on these three tiles. And I'm gonna place them with a sword, a bow, and a shield. Okay. So that's pretty much for the upper floor. What's left is some carpeting and a little bit of that. So let's just do that too. Okay, guys. So this is how it looks. And last thing we're just gonna do is we're just gonna add some trapdoor, and it will help in giving a bit of texture to the sea lanterns. And this is how they look from downwards. And this is the final look of the room. If you guys like it, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And note that you can customize this however you want and you can add finer details. And see you guys in the next video.